So here we have to complete this table. Let us take the upper part of the table first. Here we are using the formula V is equal to U plus AT. So we are supposed to find out. U is given as 2 and A is 4 and T is 3, so we get 4 into 3. And we know 2 remains as it is, and 4 3s are becomes 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14, so the answer is 14 meters per second. Let us fill it as 14. Now moving on to the next one, again the same formula, V is equal to U plus AT. Now V is given as 20. U we have to find, plus A into T becomes 5 into 2, so we have 5 into 2. 5 2s are becomes 10. So rest everything remains as it is, and 5 2s are becomes 10. 10 goes on the left hand side, becomes minus 10. So we have 20 minus 10 is equal to U. 20 minus 10 is nothing but 10, so the answer is 10 meters per second. So fill it as 10. Now let's move on to the next one. The formula used over here is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now the formula is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, right? Now S we are supposed to find out. Now since we are supposed to find out S, here we are given the value of U, that is equal to 5, T is nothing but 3, plus half remains half, A is nothing but 12, and T square is nothing but 3 square. So 5 3s are becomes 15. Half remains half, but 12 into 1 becomes 12 upon 2. 3 square is 9. Now 12 upon 2 into 9. 9 12s are becomes 108. So we have 15 plus 108 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 54s are. 54 plus 15 will be equal to 69. So the answer is 69 meters. So we fill it as 69. Next one. Now here again we write the formula first. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is given as 92, U is 7, T is 4, plus half remains half. A we are supposed to find out, and T square is nothing but 4 square, that obviously will come up to 16. Now 92 remains as it is, 7 4s is 28. A into 1 is A, 16 into A becomes 16A upon 2. So 2 1s are and 2 8s are. So we have 92 is equal to 28 plus 8A. Now what we do is, we shift 28 to the left hand side. So we get 92 minus 28 is equal to 8A. When you subtract 92 and 28, the answer is 64, 8A. 8 goes into the denominator. We have 64 upon 8, which is equal to A. So 8 1s are and 8 8s are is equal to A. That is, A is equal to 8 meters per second square. So the answer is 8. Let's move on to the next one. The formula is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Now V square is nothing but 8 square is equal to U square, we are supposed to find out, plus 2 remains as it is, A is 5 and S is 8.4. So here V is nothing but 8, so we get A square is equal to U square, we are supposed to find out. So V is nothing but 8, so we have 8 square, then U is nothing but 4, so we have 4 square, plus 2 remains as it is, A is 3 and S we are supposed to find out. So right now 8 square is nothing but 64, 4 square is 16, plus 2 3s is 6, so we have 6S over here. 16 goes on to the other side, so we have 64 minus 16 is equal to 6S. 64 minus 16 is 48 is equal to 6S. So S will be equal to 48 upon 16. 6 1s are and 6 8s are is 48. So we have 8 meters as the answer. Now let's move on to the final one. Here the formula is again V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So V this time is 10. So we have 10 square is equal to U we are supposed to find out. Plus 2 remains as it is. A is 5 and S is 8.4. So 10 square is 100. U square remains as it is. 5 2s is 10 and 10 into 8.4 is 84. So 100 minus 84, because 84 comes this side, becomes minus 84 is equal to U square. 100 minus 84 is equal to 16. So we have 16 is equal to U square. That means U will be equal to 4. That is nothing but root of 16. So the answer is 4. So this completes the table.